What's up, guys? Today I'm going to open up the 21-22 NBA Hoops retail box. It comes with 24 packs, 8 cards per pack. It says look for ultra rare anniversary edition parallels. Hopefully there's one in this box that's a rookie or a superstar at least. Look for exclusive blue and red explosion parallels. If we take a look at the back here, the blue parallels, explosion parallels, are numbered to 59, and then the reds are numbered to 15. You will find most of the hoops inserts in here, either the base or the hollow. And then it does say great significance, which is the autos, all the way down to gold, numbered to 10. And then also the signature autographs of the rookies. And yeah, and then the anniversary edition parallels. It comes with 250 card set, 200 base, and 50 base rookies. I did buy this box for about $100 on eBay. It came in today, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Alright, so now that I got it open, let's just go ahead and start. I'll run through most of the base cards in here because there will be a lot. But here we go. Bullock, Healed, Collins. Here's an insert of Luka, who just won last night's first series in the playoffs. Lights, camera, action. Here's a rookie, Trey Mann, Kispert, and McBride. So 3 rookies in that pack. That's actually pretty good. Hopefully most of the packs are like that. Horford, Garland, Patrick Beverly, Murray. Oh, here's a slam. Shaq. Alright, it's not a hollow, but I'll take it. Weiskamp. Herbert Jones. This guy played really good for New Orleans in the playoffs. And there we go, Jalen Green. One of the top rookies of this year. Josh Richardson, Jared Allen, Dylan Brooks, Will Barton. Here's another insert. Pure Players, Giannis. And then here's the rookies in the back. Aldama, Scotty Barnes, Rookie of the Year, and Giddey. All right, that's a pretty nice pack. Like I said, there is 24 packs in here, so it might be a pretty long video. Christian Wood, a lot of flipping. Fournier, Donovan Mitchell, insert, Usman, Jalen Johnson, and Brandon Boston. Kevin Porter, Satoransky. Here's a purple parallel. Is it a rookie? Magic. Yeah, it is. Jalen Suggs. Not bad. Wiggins in the back. Thor and Primo. Dort. Let's see. I think insert in the back. Another slam. All right. Kyrie Irving. Hoop Dreams. And then Isaiah Todd, Butler, and Duarte are the rookies. Another purple parallel. Let's see who we got. It's for the Thunder. It is a rookie. Jeremiah Robinson. Isaiah Livers, Davion Mitchell, and James Bouknight. Hopefully there's an auto in this box, or at least one of the short print parallel explosions. Not sure what we're getting here. Danny Green, Lonnie Walker, okay. KD, Pure Players, insert, Toscano, Jackson, and Trey Murphy, another good player for the Pelicans. Chris Middleton, Joel Embiid, Bogdanovich, Young, and the insert lights camera of James Harden, Zaire Williams, Cameron Thomas, and Quentin Grimes. Some of the best inserts on this product are the Slam, so I'm looking for the hollow ones. Wiggins, Hardaway, Hero, Covington, lights camera of Joel Embiid. And then rookies in the back, Preston, Bassie, and Trey Mann. Let's keep it going. Otto Porter, Boban, Kyle Lowry, PJ Washington, and then there's an insert Skyview, Bradley Beal. And then we got Greg Brown. Oh, there we go. Cade Cunningham. And then Ayo Dosunmu, another good player. Just about halfway done through the box. Still haven't seen an explosion. Hopefully we could get one. Bagley, Marcus Smart, Kevin Huerter, Steven Adams, LeBron, Skyview, Kispert, Miles McBride, and Santi Aldama. Tyrese Halliburton. I think there's another purple in the back. Pritchard, Bogdanovich, Morant, and Porzingis no longer with the Mavs. De'Aaron Sharp, Franz Wagner, and Jalen Suggs. Colin, Harris, Holiday, and here's a purple of Draymond. And Scotty Barnes again, Giddey, and Aaron Wiggins. For the price, it's not bad. $100, 24 packs. Yeah, I think another slam in here. It's worth a shot, especially if you get autos in here and parallels of the explosions. Kawhi Leonard, and here's Ray Allen with the Seattle jersey on, the old school. JT Thor, Primo, and Isaiah Todd again. So you will get a lot of repeat of the rookies. And here's a hollow, I believe. Alright. Coro, John Wall, Michael Porter, Derek Jones, and should be an insert Skyview hollow, Jason Tatum. Alright, well that's not a bad player to get. He's playing really, really good right now in the playoffs. And then Kai Jones, Keon Johnson, and Luka Garza. Brandon Ingram, another insert, I think. Harden. Let's just get to the insert. Zach LaVine, frequent flyers. Jeremiah Robinson, Kessler Edwards, and David Johnson. Let me take the rest of the packs out. See how many we got. Oh, there's still a lot in here. It's about what, 6 of them, 7? Yeah, 7 packs. Hopefully we can see an explosion or an auto in here. LeBron, Turner, and here's a Zion frequent flyers. Franz Wagner again, Jalen Suggs, and Kai Jones. Gary Trent, another holo. Let's see, oh, there's a rookie holo. I think that might be the Spurs. Yeah, Primo. Yeah, it's Joshua Primo. I'll take it. And then here we go, another Kuminga, Springer, and Josh Christopher. Couple packs left. No auto, no explosions in this box so far. Hopefully these last packs have one. Porzingis again, Maladon, another purple, not a rookie, Dylan Brooks, and then we got Cade Cunningham, another one. I'll take it. And Io and Darren Sharp. Another insert. Let's see, arriving now. Okay, I'll take it. Jonathan Kuminga is not the holo, it's just the base, but it's a good player. Jared Butler, Duarte, and Zaire. All right, just 3 packs left. And another insert. So yeah, it's not looking good. No auto, or at least I was hoping to at least see one of the explosion parallels. See what this is. Who's that? Bradley Beal, Lights Camera, and Cameron Thomas, Quentin Grimes, and Greg Brown. Let's see. Kleber, Capella, Kevin Durant, Lights Camera Action insert, Sengun, Cooper, and Bones Highland. Alright, last pack. Pretty average box. You do get a lot of rookies, so that is one of the nice things about it, but if you're really looking for an autograph or a parallel, explosion parallel of a rookie to at least, you know, probably make all your money back. Wiseman, wonder when he's coming back. I guess next year. And here's a purple of the Nuggets. Oh, who's this? I thought that was Kawhi Leonard. I know he's not with the Nuggets though. Will Barton, Evan Mobley, Scotty Lewis, and Moses Moody. Alright, so that's it for the box. I'll do a quick recap. It's mostly rookies, but let me just get them together. Okay, so here are some of the highlights besides all the, let me show you the stack of rookies. These are all rookies here. So you're more than likely to see every rookie if you open one box, but Ray Allen, the Kyrie, and the Shaq Slam. Here's some of the top rookies. There's multiple of some of these players too. Green, Kuminga, Giddey, Barnes, Io, Cade. I think there was 2 or 3 of him. Mobley. And then the purple parallel are Jalen Suggs. The Kuminga insert, the Primo holo. And then the Jason Tatum holo insert Skyview. Alright, well, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and good luck if you open up one of these boxes. Like I said, for the price, it's not too bad. But alright, thanks for watching. Peace.